Can you believe that simply adding the right ingredient to your morning flaxseed drink can, in a short time, make your body feel incredibly light, like you've taken off a huge weight, and when you look in the mirror, your skin starts to look rosy, plump, and full of life? I know many of you watching this video often wake up feeling sluggish. Your body feels heavy, your stomach bloated and uncomfortable, even when you haven't eaten much. Some of you have spent a lot of money on high-end skincare products, yet your skin still looks dull, dry, and lifeless. Have you ever wondered why? Even though you're eating healthy and drinking enough water, your body doesn't feel light, and your skin doesn't look fresh. The truth is, many of us are like a machine clogged up on the inside. Toxins build up, the digestive system gets overloaded, and your body struggles to cleanse itself properly. Today, I want to share with you a very simple yet powerful secret using flax seeds, a tiny ingredient often called black gold, for your health. Many women who tried this special combination after my recommendation came back saying things like, "Wait, why does my stomach look so flat now? And why is my skin so smooth and glowing?" So what is it about this tiny seed, no bigger than the tip of a toothpick, that, when paired with the right ingredient, can transform your body in such an amazing way? Let's dive in and find out. But before we get into these two game-changing recipes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, we can stay connected on this journey toward a healthier, more balanced life every day. Alright, let's get started. My friend, now I'd like to share the first recipe with you. A truly powerful combination for anyone looking to lose weight gently while helping the body cleanse itself from within. It's a simple daily detox smoothie made from flax seeds and leafy greens. It may sound basic at first, but once you understand how it works inside your body, you'll see why this combination can deliver such noticeable results. Leafy greens have long been known as a natural cleanser. They're rich in insoluble fiber, along with essential vitamins and minerals that help stimulate bowel movement and support the liver and digestive system. But there's one important detail many people overlook. Leafy greens only work at their best when your digestive tract has enough moisture and lubrication. When flax seeds are ground and blended with water, they form a natural gel rich in soluble fiber. This gel acts like a biological cushion, coating and softening the contents in your digestive tract, helping everything move more smoothly and comfortably, reducing dryness and discomfort. Not only that, this soluble fiber can also bind to excess fat and some of the waste buildup in your digestive system, helping your body eliminate it naturally. Think of it this way: leafy greens are like a flowing stream, washing away debris, while flax seeds act like a natural sponge, absorbing what your body doesn't need and making the whole process smoother and more efficient. Thanks to this synergy, your body doesn't just get gently cleansed, it also reduces fat accumulation in the gut. This supports natural weight loss without extreme dieting or harsh restrictions. And when your digestive system starts functioning smoothly, you'll notice something remarkable: your body absorbs nutrients better, your skin looks less dull, becomes more hydrated, and gradually appears fresher and more radiant day by day. So a daily green smoothie with flax seeds isn't just another drink, it's a simple way to restore and care for your body from the inside out, in a slow but sustainable way. Making it is very easy. You'll need a handful of spinach, or kale if you prefer, half a green apple for a light natural sweetness, some filtered water or coconut water, and most importantly, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly ground flax seeds. Blend everything until smooth and easy to drink. A small tip: grind the flax seeds right before using them, because their omega-3 oils can oxidize quickly when exposed to air. As for timing, The best time to drink this is in the morning on a relatively empty stomach, or in the afternoon when cravings start to kick in. The fiber will help you feel fuller longer, reduce snacking, and support weight loss naturally, without leaving you feeling drained. However, there's one important note: if you have severe intestinal blockage or acute digestive inflammation, you should consult a healthcare professional before using this. And since flax seeds absorb a lot of water, make sure you stay well hydrated throughout the day to support the cleansing process. If you stay consistent for about 1 to 2 weeks, you'll start to feel the difference. Your stomach feels lighter, bloating gradually decreases, and even stubborn fat areas begin to soften naturally. No force, no extremes, just steady, noticeable change. My friend, if the first method worked like a gentle broom, helping your body cleanse from within, then this second one I'm about to share brings a completely different feeling. It's more like a quiet, nourishing drink for your skin, slow, steady, and deeply supportive, especially for those who care about their skin, hormonal balance, and sleep quality. This combination is flax seeds mixed with plant-based milk, such as almond milk, soy milk, or cashew milk. What makes this recipe so valuable lies in a unique compound found in flax seeds called lignin. It's a type of phytoestrogen, a plant-based compound that can gently support hormonal balance. Simply put, lignin isn't a replacement hormone. Instead, it acts more like a soft regulator. When your body is lacking, it helps support and restore balance, and when there's excess, it helps bring things back into equilibrium. Because of this, hormonal fluctuations, one of the key reasons behind dull skin, dryness, breakouts, and fatigue, can gradually become more stable over time. When flax seeds are combined with plant-based milk, the benefits don't just stay on the inside, they begin to show on the outside as well. Plant-based milk provides vitamin E, calcium, and healthy fats, while the omega-3 in flax seeds helps reduce mild inflammation and maintain skin hydration at the cellular level. Together, these elements work in harmony, like creating a layer of nourishment from within, helping your skin improve naturally. Not through quick, dramatic changes, but through steady, genuine transformation. Think of it this way: each sip is like gently watering and replenishing tired, dehydrated cells, helping them regain moisture, elasticity, and their natural glow. Preparation is simple. Take about 7 ounces, 200 milliliters, of unsweetened plant-based milk, slightly warmed so your body can absorb it more easily. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly ground flax seeds and stir well. If you'd like to enhance both flavor and benefits, you can add a little raw honey or a small pinch of cinnamon. The result is a lightly creamy, naturally sweet, and soothing drink that's very easy to enjoy. As for timing, I recommend drinking this in the evening, about an hour before bedtime. This is when your body begins its most active phase of repair and regeneration. While you sleep, these nutrients are quietly absorbed, supporting hormonal balance, nourishing your skin, and helping your nervous system relax. As a result, your sleep becomes deeper and more restful. If you stay consistent with this habit, you'll begin to notice subtle yet clear changes. Your skin feels less dry, fatigue gradually fades, and your face looks fresher each morning when you wake up. However, one important note: since flax seeds can influence hormonal balance, if you have conditions like uterine fibroids or ovarian cysts that are sensitive to estrogen, it's best to consult a healthcare professional before using this regularly. Taking care of your body also means listening to it, so everything works in a way that's safe and right for you. When you start paying attention to small habits, like a warm, nourishing drink each day, your body will respond. Not loudly, but clearly, through calmer skin, deeper sleep, and a gentle sense of ease from within. My friend, there are a few very important tips you need to know. Because if you don't, flax seeds, despite being incredibly healthy, can become less effective, or even cause bloating and digestive discomfort. So take a moment and listen closely to this part. The biggest mistake is eating flax seeds whole. A lot of people think it's enough to sprinkle flax seeds over a salad or yogurt and call it a day. But in reality, the outer shell of flax seeds is very hard. And our bodies simply don't have the ability to break it down. If you eat them whole, they'll pass through your digestive system almost intact, meaning the valuable nutrients inside are barely absorbed. So here's something you should always remember. Flax seeds need to be ground before consuming. Only then can your body absorb the omega-3, fiber, and other essential nutrients they contain. The second mistake is grinding too much and storing it for too long. You see, the oils in flax seeds are very sensitive to light, air, and heat. If you grind a large batch and leave it sitting for days, those oils begin to oxidize, developing an unpleasant smell and losing their nutritional value. The best approach is to grind just enough for about 3 to 5 days. Store it in an airtight, dark glass container, and keep it in the refrigerator. That way, every time you use it, your flax seeds are still fresh, clean, and full of their natural goodness. And there's one more common mistake: rushing the process. I understand, once you start focusing on your health, it's natural to want quick results. But with flax seeds, your body needs time to adjust. If you consume too much right away, your digestive system can become overloaded with fiber, leading to bloating and discomfort. Start gently, just 1 small spoon a day, then gradually increase as your body adapts. Go slow, but stay consistent, and your body will change in a very natural way. Remember, healthy living isn't a race. It's a long journey, one that requires patience and the ability to listen to your own body. Ellipsis. You see, the journey to feeling lighter, having brighter skin, doesn't always come from complicated solutions. Sometimes, it begins with the smallest habits, like a single spoonful of flax seeds each day. I truly hope that with these 2 simple combinations, you'll start to notice the difference: less bloating, more comfort, and skin that feels calmer, healthier, and more radiant over time. You can start as soon as tomorrow. And after about 1 to 2 weeks, if you notice any changes, come back and share your experience with me. Your small story might become a big source of motivation for someone else. If you found this helpful, feel free to hit like, or share it with someone you care about, so you can stay healthy together. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, so we can continue this journey together. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which one would you choose? Option 1. Flax seeds with greens. Or option 2. Flax seeds with plant-based milk. I'll be reading all your comments. Thank you for spending your time here with me. Wishing you a body that feels light, a mind that feels at peace, and a glow that shines a little brighter every day. See you in the next video. Hand waving.